A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student. Now the next topic of computer chapter is the chapter number 2, more on Windows 10. All of you know about Windows. Windows is a type of Windows 10 is a software version, right? That version name is Windows 10. Now let us discuss about changing the appearance of Windows. Changing appearance of the Windows means whenever we are going to do the changes on the settings of the computer screen is called changing in appearance. So how can we change the appearance? We can change the appearance through the settings. We have the options on in settings. Let us learn about this. We can change the display settings of text, themes, sound effects on screensaver, font, from the control panel. We can change all the appearances of the computers through control panel. All of you have done the same thing in your mobile phones also. You have done to change the appearance of your mobile phone sometimes. In your mobile phone, if your mobile phone is multimedia handset, then you have changed the appearance of the your multimedia mobile phone itself also. Same it happens with the computers also. You can change the appearance in computers also. We can change the display settings of text, themes, sound effect, screensaver, font and control panel. The appearance and personalized categories consist of various commands that operate on display properties on the operating system. In operating system, all the things are over there. You can open the control panel through which we are going to control the computer activities. Click on appearance and personalize means whatever settings you want, you have to personalize yourself, right? Then after that, in the category view, the list of the options is displays automatically whenever you are going to appearance and personalize, and then after you are choosing the category, then it's the listed options are displayed in front of you. Click on the changes the theme under the personalization heading. Under the personalization heading, you get these type of themes. Whatever theme you want, you have to click on that. It automatically get installed in your system. Then after, select any theme of your choice, whatever you want. There are command of for working on desktop, background color, sound and screensaver. Click on each of them one by one to change their settings. Whatever settings you want, you have to uh, go through the changes. Then customize the taskbar. Customize the taskbar whenever you are going to change the settings of the taskbar in your order. That it means you are going to customize it. The taskbar is a thin strip that is presenting at the bottom of the screen. All of you know that the bottom screen's ribbon type is called a taskbar. The taskbar allows the user to locate and launch program through the start button or view any program that is currently open. In a taskbar, you get all the application which you already opened. All the things are displayed over there like this. This is the taskbar. Start button in a left hand side corner button, start button is there. Then you get so many options, opened and pinned programs. Whatever program you want, you have to click on that. It automatically view all notification area icons. It's a notification icons means whenever you are going to take a mouse on that, automatically you get which type of application is that. So we can customize the taskbar and change the position of the taskbar automatically. Hide the taskbar. Uh, use peek to preview the desktop, etc. to customize the taskbar. You can customize the taskbar if you want the to locate your taskbar in a left hand side. You can. If you want to locate your taskbar in a right hand side, you can. If you want the same position of your taskbar, you can, right? So you can change the direction of the taskbar. Open the control panel, click on the appearance and personalize in the categories view. Select the taskbar navigation. Select the taskbar navigation means in which side you want to locate your taskbar. Taskbar settings open up. Let us check some important settings of the taskbar. Lock the taskbar. If you want to lock the taskbar, you can. Lock the taskbar means after locking the taskbar, no one can change the direction of the taskbar. This is on. The taskbar is locked and cannot be moved without a mouse of any other location on the computer screen. Automatically hide the taskbar in a desktop mode. You can automatically hide the taskbar itself also if you want. How? This is on. The taskbar is not visible. It will be visible only if we move the mouse at the bottom on the screen. The small taskbar button. Use small taskbar button means the button on the taskbar change into small size of the turn on the screen box also decrease to a small circle. So this one is the use of a taskbar. How can we small the taskbar buttons automate? How can we hide the taskbar? How can we lock the taskbar? So you can understand easily whenever we are going to do the practical with that, right? So definitely we'll go through the practical whenever the school get opened. Use peek to preview the desktop. This is on. We can use the preview of the desktop. Preview means whenever you are going to check out your changes, that means you are going to preview the things desktop of the computer, which is usually hidden under the activity program. If we move our mouse to show desktop button, he the show desktop button is in the right mouse corner next the notification area, like this. Show desktop. Whenever you are going to click in, automatically desktop is showing, right? Use peek to preview the desktop. Now next, moving forward to the next topic. Taskbar location on the screen. Taskbar location on the screen means originally all of you have seen the taskbar located at the bottom of the screen. We can change the location of using the taskbar settings. I already told you 4 different locations that we can place the taskbar: left hand side, top, right and bottom. Right, there are 4 locations in which we locate our taskbar, like this: left, top, right and bottom. Configure date and time. Configure date and time means if you want to do some changes on the date and time, you can do it yourself through the settings. It's also be through settings in a control panel, right? So all of you, let us read about this. Configure date and time means whenever we are going to do some changes on date and time, we can do it through the control panel. How can? When a new computer laptop is purchased, whenever you are going to purchase a new laptop or computer, the date and time are configured automatically. Change the date and time of your computer system. How can you change the date and time of the computer system? Open the control panel. In the category view, click on clock, language and reason, like this. Click on the control panel, category view, click on clock, language and reason. Whenever you are going to click on that, automatically click on set the time date under the date and time headings. Exactly, obviously date and time settings were placed on date and time set. Click on that particular heading. The date and time dialog box opened automatically. Click on the changes date and time button. Whenever you are going to click on that, automatically the cursor blinking on that, the date and time dialog box appear. Change the date and time as desired and click on OK. Whatever you want, you have to do changes and then click on OK. Automatically your date and time will be configured. Configuring the mouse, and you can also change the settings of the mouse also. It's also as well through the settings. All the things has been changed through the setting only. Configure the mouse. Configure the mouse means whenever we are going to attach a new mouse with the computer, first of all we have to configure the mouse. How to configure the mouse? To change the settings of the mouse. So these are the points. Open the control panel. As of now, I already told you in previous that all the things have been changed through the control panel settings. Open the control panel in the category view. Click on hardware and sound. The option is hardware and sound, through which you can change the settings of the mouse. Click on mouse under the device and printer heading, like this, device and printer heading. You get the mouse options. The mouse properties dialog box appear like this. If you want to change the speed of the mouse, you have to increase this one, this pointer to fast, this written fast, drag it like this and it automatically get fast. So open the control panel in the category view, click on hardware and sound, click on mouse under the device and printer. The mouse property dialog box appears. Let's check the properties of the mouse that can be modified. Button configuration. Configuration, whenever you are going to do the settings, we usually use left button of the mouse for clicking and double clicking function. The right click is used to display the properties of other functions of components on the computer screen. If we select the checkbox, the switch primary and secondary button, the function in left button will be performed as right button and vice versa. That means whatever the functions of the buttons of the mouse is there, if you want to change the uh, change the change their properties, you can, because some of you have having a left hander, some of you and most of the students are right hander. So this is for a left hander students. They are using, every time they are writing in a copies through a left hand. So whenever they are using the mouse, they are at that particular time period they are using the left hand. So they have to configure their mouse through their left hand, right? This one is for them. Button performed by the right button, vice versa. Change the settings only if you are a left-handed person, yes, and uncomfortable in operating the normal function of the mouse. So this only this function has been changed whenever the operator is a left-hander. Double click speed. If you want to change the speed of double click, you can. We double click over a folder to open it and even display some programs. We can decrease speed of the double click of the mouse. We can increase or decrease the double click of the mouse also through the control panel. If we drag the slider towards slow, we take a large time gap between the two clicks of the mouse. If we drag the slider towards fast, have to very quick and two clicks of the mouse. It is advised to keep it center from comfortable use of the mouse. So what does it means? It means if you want to, like this one is the pointer, you have, if you want to increase the speed of the mouse, you have to drag this pointer to this side. If you don't want to increase the speed, if you want to decrease the speed, you have to take drag it to slow side. If you don't want to do anything, you have to just make it as a center of the mouse settings. Yes. So this one is the button configuration, double click configuration. Pointers. The default pointer of the mouse is the arrow. All of you know that because you have seen whenever we are going to click on the computer screen, the default pointer is arrow. When we move the pointer on the screen, we can see arrow moving. Yes. Whenever we are going to move the mouse and whenever we are going to click somewhere else, so what we can see, the arrow moving window offer us other options also which we can use as a pointer. If you want to do changes on the pointer, we can, yes, through the settings. How can we choose the change the pointer of the mouse. Let's talk about this. To change the pointer, switch the pointer tab. First of all, what you have to do, you have to switch to the pointer tab of the mouse properties. First of all, you have to go to the mouse properties, then pointer tab. We can see the list of different type of pointers with their respective windows operation in customize, like this. So we can see list different type of pointers which their respective windows operation in a customized list. Select the pointer type you want to change from this list. Whatever uh, whatever picture you want, you have to select that one. The window appears which display the different pointers available. Figure 2.39. Different type of pointers are there. Yes. So how can we change? Switch the pointer tab of the mouse property dialog box. We can see the different type of pointers with their respective window operations in the customized list. Select the pointer type you want to change from the list. Click on the browse button. The window appears which display the different pointer available. Select the pointer type of your choice, whatever you want. Click on the open button. We can see new pointer shape instead of original pointer in the customized list. Click on the apply button. When all changes are done, click on OK button. When you have done the changes, after that you have to click on the OK button. To return back the original pointer, click on use default. Whenever you are going to click on the use default, automatically whatever the pointer is in your previous, it's automatically get converted on that. So students, we already covered this chapter more on Windows 10. So what you need to do is you have to write the definitions, as well as I'm sending you the definitions of the chapter which you need to write down in your computer notebook. If you not note it down, please note it down. Windows Media Player, the definition of Windows Media Player, disk cleanup, control panel and the taskbar. Only 4 definitions are there. If you have done, then it's good, because I already given these definitions in my previous classes. So if you have books, please read out these 4 definitions, because these 4 definitions depending upon your question and answer as well. So now moving forward to the fill-ups. I believe you have done the fill-ups. If you're not done, please do it in your books as well as in your copies also, because whenever you are going to write it down in your copies, what had happened, you are going to revise the things. So it's uh, very beneficial for you, because through that you can memorize all the fill in the blanks. Yes. So now fill in the blanks. The songs that ripped are saved to the dash library. Which library? Music library. We can see the list of different type of pointers which their respective window operations in the customized list. We'll read out right now. We already read the same thing. When the rip process starts, the command rip cd change into rip status. To display 2 programs simultaneously, we select show windows side by side. Side by side from the menu. Then the last one. Dash is a software utility that allows user to remove files that are no longer needed. So which one? Disk cleanup. Disk cleanup is a software utility that allows user to remove files that are no longer needed, which we know need longer. Then moving forward to the true and false. When we use small taskbar button, the search box reduces small circle. It's correct or false? It's true, students. Then moving forward to the true and false more. I believe you have done this true or false also. The location of the taskbar is permanent. False. You can change the location of the taskbar. The function of the right and left button of the mouse cannot be interchanged. True. The disk cleanup The disk cleanup can help to speed up and improve the performance of the computer. True. Window Media Player is used to copy a music files from CD. False. So now moving forward to the MCQs. The three view to display the control panel are large icons, categories, small icons. Yes. Then the next one, in the start button, disk cleanup option is found under the option window administrative tool. The third one, the four locations are available to place the taskbar are up, down, center, across. No, the four locations available to place the taskbar are left, right, top, bottom. The fourth one, to modify the taskbar, we need to select the following categories in a control panel. To modify a taskbar, modify means whenever we are going to do a changes on the taskbar, what we have to do, we have to appearance and personalize the taskbar. So the first one is the answer. The last MCQ. In the start button, control panel is found under the option Windows System. Right? So now moving forward to the matchups. Control panel. Control panel is modified setting of Windows. Modify settings of Windows. Window Media Player. Window Media Player is a play song and videos. Disk cleanup. All of you know that disk cleanup is for remove unwanted files. Taskbar. Taskbar is what? Display active programs. The bottom side of the screen is called taskbar, so it displaying the active programs. Rip setting means change format of songs. Change the format of songs. So what you need to do is you have to write down all the if you have done it in your books, no issue, but otherwise you have to write down only the question and answer in your notebook. Otherwise, if you don't have a book, please note down all the things in your classwork copies, and after that send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. Right? So all of you, that's all for today's class. So I hope all of you understand. If you have any type of problem, please call back me so that I clarify you. Right? So my mobile number, all of you know that. After completing your work, send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number 9953630979. So all of you take care of yourself. I hope all of you understand this one. And students, please take care about yourself. Wash your hands carefully and take care of yourself. Don't go anywhere, and do your work harder, because teachers are not available in front of you. So maybe you are facing too much problems. So I hope all of you understand. Take a help from your subject teachers, in which subject you are facing a problem, and daily you do your work. Whatever the work is coming in through the WhatsApp, you have to do it in your copies. Right? Don't wait for that. If anybody is going to leave their work, what had happened after a few days, it maybe get in trouble. So students, today's your work is what? You have to do all the MCQs in your notebook as well as the matchups. And for the question and answers, I tell you, so students, the question and answer, name the four type of media that window media player can handle. Which are two options that appears when we copy file to the CD? So you can find it out the answers of these questions. If you have a book with you, you can find it out the answers, question and answers through yourself. because whenever you are going to find out the answers, you are going to read out the chapter, so it's very easy to you understand the answers also. So students, take care yourself, don't go anywhere from your home, and stay safe, stay healthy, and learn all the subjects, whatever the subjects are there, all the subjects, right? So that's all about today's class. Thank you, have a nice day, take care yourself.